Okay, so how many times at home should I roll if I have scars from acne?
My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe. Yeah, good question actually. I have done a few videos on the frequency of needling, but I've never actually highlighted if you're needling due to acne scarring, which is like one of the main reasons why clients would roll, is either acne scarring or open pores. And I always recommend that when you're doing home rollering, if you're not doing professional treatments, do it weekly at home. If you're doing professional treatments are usually done every 4 weeks. You can do your home rollering 2 weeks after your professional treatments, which will land 2 weeks before your next. That's plenty because you're going to get a lot of cell turnover and effect from your professional treatment, so you don't need to be going too heavy-handedly and too frequently at home because your professional treatment is doing that job for you. But if you're not having professional treatments anywhere and you're home rollering, weekly is what I recommend, and you can do it more if necessary. And when I say if necessary, acne scarring would be one of them times that you could roll more frequently. Now, acne skin usually will come sensitive, so you really do need to gauge your own skin and its tolerance. So if you find it's aggravating the skin too much in any way, then stick to weekly. If you find your skin can tolerate doing it more, it's definitely going to benefit you, and it's going to be working on creating new skin in your skin. Because the idea with rolling acne scars is you're causing damage to the skin, and you're going to force that damaged skin that was damaged prior to doing your needling to repair itself. So all the functions of your skin, when they feel the damage, the blood rushes up. That's why you get a lot of redness after treatments, but it goes to work and it starts working on repairing that tissue in the skin. So definitely more frequently with acne scarring is when I'd recommend to do it more than weekly.